I just saw my staff hand as I was coming in, the House Freedom Caucus. The members of the House Caucus will consider voting to raise the debt ceiling contingent upon the enactment of legislation. You know what the essence of the enactment of legislation is? Cut all spending other than defense by 25%. 25% across the board. That means cops, firefighters. It means healthcare. That's just what they call discretionary spending, as you all know. And on top of that, what they're really focused on, I saw here, I shouldn't get into all this now, but is what it's kind of surprised me. They want to make sure we don't have enough IRS agents. You know those IRS agents we had? They're going to check on the accounts of the super wealthy, which require a lot of accounting, a lot of agents to look at it. They want to get rid of them. I don't know. We just have a very different value set.